In this video, let's see how to create a line feature class in ArcGIS. In the previous video, we talked about how to create a point feature class. To create a line feature class, right-click on our geodatabase. Then click on the feature class under the new. In here give a name, and set the type of feature as a line feature. On the next page, you have to select the relevant coordinate system. Click Next. Here you can add attributes and their data type. Or, you can do it later. Okay, now you can see the created feature class. Let's see how to add data to the created feature class. To do that, first, start editing. Then you can see the Create Feature icon is activated. Click on the icon and select the feature. You can see the relevant construction tools bottom of the panel. Select a tool to add data. Double-click to stop. This attribute icon uses to fill the data of a feature. In the end, save and stop the editing. Okay, you can see we added data like this. To add a new field, select Add Field under the Table options. Give a name and select the data type. Then start editing, and fill the table. Let's see how to create a polygon feature class in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.